In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Chalk Grainy in Krita. Open Krita and press B to switch to the brush tool. Open the brush presets docker on the right side, search for Chalk Grainy, and click the brush to select it. Chalk Grainy is useful for creating rough, grainy strokes with a chalk texture. It works well when you need visible grain, textured shading, and natural-looking brush marks. Adjust the brush size using Shift plus Drag or the size box in the top toolbar. Use larger sizes for broader strokes and smaller sizes for details. Control the paint flow by adjusting opacity. Lower it for softer, lighter strokes, and increase it for stronger coverage. If you use a drawing tablet, apply light pressure for thinner and lighter strokes, and heavier pressure for thicker and darker strokes. Use this brush when adding textured shading, rough details, or chalk-like effects. Drag the brush slowly across the canvas to create more visible grain and texture. Build up your strokes gradually with multiple passes instead of applying one heavy stroke. And that's how to use Chalk Grainy in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.